All right, so this is my smoothie. This is what I do for my smoothie routine every morning. So I just want to come and show you guys. I already have in here spinach and a little bit of kale, okay, as you can see. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add in my protein powder. The reason why I'm adding my protein powder right now is because I don't like to add it at the end. I just need it to get more saturated into the smoothie. So what I do is I'll take my protein powder, up a little bit. Okay, so as you can see, the protein powder is in there. And I'll take my coconut water, and I pour the coconut water in here just to saturate the protein powder down, so everything can be smushed in there together. Okay, so then I'll go ahead and start to add my fruit. Adding bananas first. Frozen bananas. I typically love to freeze my bananas. So as you can see, frozen bananas. All right, kind of smash that down in there a bit, okay? And then I'll go ahead and add my frozen fruit, which I'll show you the frozen fruit. I kind of have some pears, pineapples, strawberries, papaya, and mango. Smash that on in there, all right, so that everything is all in there. So as you can see that when it begins to blend, it won't get stuck. So I don't want the powder to begin stuck around inside the smoothie and not moving and being mixtured in there properly. So, all right. So then I'll go ahead and add in my supplement. I'll go ahead and add in my other juices, which I love to add juice to my smoothies. This is elderberry juice. Don't add that much. Just a little bit of elderberry juice. You can see that. And I love pineapple juice. So I like to have my smoothies to have, today's really, not really sweet, but really good. I'm gonna add in a little bit more coconut water to get to the max line. Okay, there we go. All right. So now I will go ahead and add in my sea moss. And thank you to my girl Angel Preston for getting me this sea moss. This is I've been using it. I've actually frozen maybe a little bit more than half of it because I just want it to last a little bit longer. So here you go. Thank you. All right. So we go ahead and take a scoop of that. Grab a spoon. Grab a spoonful of the sea moss, okay? Let's put that in there. Okay, so for that. And I will go ahead and start adding in my supplements, which is vitamin D. Vitamin C. I use this for, I've been using this for quite some time now, for some years now, and I started using this when I was very ill and I only weighed like 110 pounds or what have you, and a good friend of mine put me onto this to help me to gain more weight and actually It has a lot of natural herbs and things like that. It has ginseng, it has kola nut, it has white bud mushrooms, it has milk thistle, spirulina, dandelion root, garlic. It has so many different things in here. Ginger root, licorice root, wheatgrass, saw palmetto, celery seed, cayenne. It has so many different properties and things in here. So I've been using this for quite some time. It's really good with if you're working out, muscle growth, strength, and it's just overall just great for you. So I don't follow what you're supposed to typically do and take. I do a pill and a half, and you're supposed to take more than that, but I just don't do that. Okay, so I got in all of my pills. Now I move on to the powder. So this L-glutamine powder, of course, as you know, I've had ulcers before, and one of the main ingredients in part of, one of the components in healing ulcers. This is it. So I just do a scoop of this. Okay. All right, and then I'm gonna move on to, let me show you this. I also love to use Green Superfood by Amazing Grass. Has all your nutrition in here. Again, more wheatgrass, barley grass, alfalfa, spirulina, broccoli, beetroot, carrots. It's full of great vitamins and greens, super greens. And I just do 2 scoops of that. And this is a half a tablespoon, okay? Half a teaspoon, I'm sorry. So I do that. So it'll be equal to 1. And also I move on to started back using my MSM. Okay, this is great for your joints and overall recovery when you're working out and things like that. It's also great for your hair, ladies. So we're men, but ladies, it is wonderful for your hair. So this is something definitely to have in your arsenal when you're making your smoothies or having your when you're have all your supplements. So this is something else that's great. And it only requires 1 scoop of this, 1 scoop of MSM. All right. And something else I just added to hemp seeds. They're very great. They're great with protein. Great. There's 10 grams of protein. Great with your omegas, omega-3 and 6 hemp seeds. Okay. If you don't know what all your omegas do, definitely look that up because you need a good source of omegas in your body. Okay. So it also has in here manganese, magnesium, phosphorus, folate, vitamin B, thiamine, great in potassium, iron. Okay, so definitely grab you some hemp seeds. I don't use that much, so. Okay, and let me grab my top. Just smash it all in here. Okay. And now we're gonna blend. I like to blend it 1.5 times. I'll blend it the first time and then I'll do another half just so the protein and everything can just, it won't taste so grainy. So I'll blend it again. Look at this smoothie. All of your green goodness in this smoothie, all of your vitamins, all your minerals, everything that you need to stay healthy is, you can have it in your breakfast smoothie. That's all you need.